Hi, I'm Tony Pina. For this session, we'd like to discuss different types of PLA, Prior Learning Assessment. Now, to review, Prior Learning Assessment is the granting of credit for learning that you received previously outside of a regular classroom setting. This type of credit is recognized by most colleges and universities, over half at least, and PLA credit is given for prior learning, college-level learning, not just for life experience. Now, some of the options that you have for PLA is, of course, courses that you have taken at accredited colleges and universities and other institutions that transfer. That is certainly an indication of prior learning. Another thing that you might be able to get credit for is if you've served in the military. The military is very good about providing transcripts of the type of learning that you receive in the military, the types of training that you've gone to and all. And the military has become quite adept at being able to equate these with college courses and college credits. So for those of you who have been in the military, a lot of this work is probably already done for you. Also, the American Council on Education, or ACE, has recommended thousands of industry training courses and military training and certification, professional certifications, and other types of courses, and has recommended college units for those courses. And Sullivan University follows the ACE recommendations. So you'll find out a little bit more about that in the lesson itself. The same thing is with credit by examination. You might have heard of CLEP tests or other kinds of tests where you would basically take about a 90-minute test, and if you pass it with a certain score, you will get credit as if you took a full semester or quarter course in college on that. The other thing, of course, is prior learning portfolio, which is the major focus of this course. The prior learning portfolio allows you to target specific college courses that exist in Sullivan's catalog or in other college catalogs that teach what you already know. And then what you do within your portfolio is you provide a statement of your educational goals and how this portfolio would fit within those goals. You will write an autobiography of your learning experiences, showing where you obtained all of this knowledge. And then a professional resume, which is a way to consolidate that knowledge into an easy-to-read format. And then you would write a narrative, and in the narrative, you would go in depth on how you know how to do what is taught in the particular course that you're challenging through portfolio, and why an expert or professor should award you credit for that course based on your knowledge. And then you would also supply supporting documentation, which could take the form of letters, programs that you've created, products that you've created, and other things like that, that document that you actually have the knowledge that is taught in a given course. Now, research on prior learning assessment shows a lot of positive trends. As I mentioned before, 1/2 of all colleges and universities have provisions for prior learning assessment. It is a widely accepted way of getting college credits. It's not really that controversial. Also, research has shown that students who participate in prior learning assessment, or PLA students, exhibit better problem-solving skills than those who don't take advantage of PLA, and also tend to show higher GPAs on average than those who don't do PLA. PLA students often enroll in more courses than non-PLA students because the PLA students get credit for their prior learning experience, which frees up courses on their schedule so they can take more and graduate faster. Also, students who have participated in the prior learning assessment process have rated it as more important to their educational goals, to their success in education, than being in small classes or even than availability of financial aid. And so PLA can be a way for you to reach your educational goals in a timely and an economical and a feasible manner. That's what we'll be covering within this class. See you in cyberspace.